catalysis. Here first upon we should know what is meant by catalyst, and then we will see what is the catalysis. Catalyst is nothing but a substance. Catalyst is nothing but a substance which increases the rate of chemical reaction without taking part in that chemical reaction. Without taking part in that chemical reaction. For example, here in the hydrogenation of oil, what happens? Nickel is used as catalyst, and here solid fat is to be obtained. Here, what happens? On the surface of nickel, the hydrogen gas is gained and solved, and concentration of hydrogen gas is increased, which is used to treat with oil. And here, in case of oil, there are either double or triple bond of carbon are present, and here hydrogenation takes place, and here saturated compound is obtained. Saturated compound is obtained. Here it is the about catalyst. Here there are many examples of catalyst. The D block elements act as many D block elements act as catalysts. For example, nickel, rainy nickel, platinum, palladium, etc. These are your catalysts. Now, we already know about the term catalyst. Catalyst is the substance which increases the rate of chemical reaction without taking part in that chemical reaction. Here, this process is called as catalysis. So, what is the definition of catalysis? It is the process in which a substance, when added to the reactants, it increases the rate of chemical reaction without taking part in that chemical reaction. So, it is about the catalysis. However, there are two types of catalysis. Catalysis. First is the homogeneous catalysis, and other one is heterogeneous catalysis. Heterogeneous heterogeneous catalysis. Here, in this case, both reactant and catalyst are present in same phase. Here we can take an example that is hydrolysis of sugar H12, H22, O11. It is the aqueous one. If hydrolysis is carried out then here formation of glucose and fructose takes place. Formation of glucose and fructose takes place. Glucose and here fructose takes place. It is also aqueous. It is also aqueous. This is carried out in presence of H2SO4, which is in the aqueous medium. Here the reactant as well as this catalyst both are in the same phase. Such type of catalysis is known as homogeneous catalysis. And if we take the example of formation of ammonia in the Haber's process, here if gaseous nitrogen is taken with gaseous hydrogen, it forms gaseous ammonia. Here reactants are in the gaseous phase, and here iron is used which is present in the solid phase. This iron catalyst is contaminated with this phosphorus oxide and alumina. Therefore, what would be the definition of catalysis? Here, in this case, reactants and catalyst present are in different phases. So, it is about the homogeneous catalysis and heterogeneous catalyst. Have a look. Now, side, we have seen the catalyst. What is the role of catalyst? Catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of a chemical reaction. And here, this inhibitor is the very opposite substance. Inhibitor is a very opposite substance. What is inhibitor? Inhibitor is a substance which decreases. Inhibitor is a substance which decreases the rate of a chemical reaction. For this purpose, here consider a reaction H2O2. Here, dilute acid is taken. And here, a formation of twice H2O takes place, and oxygen molecule is given out. Here, in this case, here, this dilute acid acts as inhibitor. Dilute acid acts as inhibitor. In other chemical reactions, some other inhibitors are to be used. So it is about the inhibitor. Now, dear students,